Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is question 2, Jamb Physics 2018, which goes thus. If x times 10 raised to the power minus 2 joule of work is required to move 100 microcoulomb of charge from a point X to a point Y in an electrical circuit, the potential difference between X and Y is the potential difference is the work done per unit charge, which is V equals W over Q. V here is the potential difference in volt, while W is the work done or energy transferred in joules, while the Q is the charge in coulombs C. Okay, so let us try to input the values as given in the question. V, which is the potential difference in volt, is exactly what we're looking for. That is unknown. Okay. While W, the work done as given in the question, is this. So we have 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. Okay. To be divided by the column. Remember that the column we're given is 100 microcoulomb. Okay. And 1 millionth microcoulomb is equal to 1 coulomb. Therefore, 100 microcoulomb will be equal to 1 millionth of this divided by 100, and that will give us 10 raised to the power minus 4. That is to divide this by 1 million. Okay, good. So we have Q as 10 raised to the power minus 4. So let us simplify further. So V equals 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. In indices, if we bring this 10 raised to the power minus 4 up, we have 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, so we simplify further. So we have V equals 8 times this, and indices would be 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 4. And this will give us the final answer. 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 4 will give us 2. So the final answer, the potential difference between X and Y, is equal to 8 times 10 raised to the power 2 volts. And the answer option C seems to be the right answer. So this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.